Kate. Welcome to my channel. First ingredient is unsweetened applesauce. We're gonna get 1 2/3 cup of applesauce. We'll put that in the bowl. It's 4 1/2 teaspoons of unflavored gelatin, and I've already pre-measured that here. We're gonna sprinkle that over the top, and then we're gonna stir that in just until it's incorporated. This is a super easy recipe. So then what you need is a double boiler. So what I have is I've put some water in a pan, and I'm gonna get that boiling. Okay, now that my water's boiling, I'm gonna place my applesauce mixture with the gelatin over the top of it, and I'm just gonna stir it. Okay, once your gelatin has completely incorporated into your applesauce and your applesauce is nice and warm, you're going to take this off of the heat, and then you need to let the applesauce cool for about 5 to 10 minutes. After your applesauce has cooled, you're gonna put it in your mixer, and then you're gonna mix it for 15 minutes on high until it forms soft peaks. After mixing for about 15 minutes on high, your applesauce mixture should look like whipped cream, and it should have formed soft peaks. And your mixture will look really foamy, and it's supposed to. You're gonna fill your pan and be very gentle with your mixture. And then you just have to pop it in the refrigerator for about 1 hour to 2 hours until the cake sets. I did put it in the refrigerator for 2 hours. And now we're gonna take it out of the dish. And it has a nice cake consistency. And I'm gonna put some Cool Whip on the top. We're gonna see how it tastes. That's good. I hope you enjoyed cooking with Kate. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.